So when Mike came this morning, it was like up over here. It was over this bit. It like burst its banks sort of thing. Oh, it's not burst its banks, but it overflowed into this field this morning when Mike walked Gia. So it's gone down massively gone down. It's not too bad. It's no worse than it was the day before when we walked it yesterday. But this morning it was up here, completely covering this whole bit of the field. But now it's back down again. Oh, it is still up, but not how it was. Anyway. Oh, thank you, because they're going to be really high. Really cool.
I'm sorry, Mum, but you won't be able to drown today.
Okay. Ah! I might be able to fall over though.
Perhaps you should get away from the flashing river. Maybe you'll live a little longer.
It's not bad though. It's not as bad though. Oh, it has gone round there. Right. So it separated that tree and made a little tree island. Ah, cute. I want to live like a fairy on the little island. It's all that back there, look. There's a little island where you could live as a fairy. I'd like to live there as a fairy, Sarren, would you? No. Ah! It just fell down a hole.
Cool.
Ah, well, it's running fast. It's deep, but disappointing. Disappointing.
What, you want to then tell what to be flooding, and then you'll say, I'd like it if it was a little higher, and then that would be
No,
good stuff.
it is high, but I thought it's gone down, and that's what I'm saying. It's gone down a lot. It was like right over here when your dad walked this morning, and now it's
I bet you're thinking, oh, why does Dad always get the good coming? The little flop clothes.
what?
Please get away from the gushing river.
It's not.
Gee,
It's not.
we're a dog.
She's not going to be there, is she? It's not. Anyway, that's the river. It was much better earlier when Mike filmed it. Anyway,
It's the same exact height.
it's not. It's gone down. It was right up here when your dad filmed it this morning. It was over here. Growling. So, disappointing. But I did get to see the other bridge that had never been covered, right covered, and go through it, and that was awesome. And little things, isn't it? Little things in life that make you happy. Little strange things. Like walking over a sunken bridge immersed in water. Made me happy.
How long have you been out?
Not long.
How long?
Couple of hours.
An hour? Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Right, and we go.
Going down. Yeah.
Because we'll be home soon. So, sun's going down, we're going home. So, always be kind and peace out.